Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are on Windows 10 1909 and backing up your important files. Make sure your device has at least 20% free disk space and is plugged into power. Once done, download the Windows 10 Update Assistant or the Media Creation tool. These tools handle the upgrade safely. Run the tool as administrator, accept license terms, and let it scan for compatibility. This step initiates the actual upgrade process and flags driver or app conflicts you must address next. Once the Update Assistant starts, follow prompts and allow the tool to download necessary files. Expect multiple restarts. Make sure to temporarily disable third-party antivirus and disconnect printers, USB drives, or docks that could block drivers. If you use the Media Creation tool, choose whether to keep files and apps or perform a clean install. Keeping apps is faster, but clean installs remove cruft. During installation, the system applies new drivers and features. Monitor on-screen messages and let the process finish without forcing. After the upgrade completes and Windows boots, open Settings Update and Security Windows Update to install any remaining cumulative updates and feature patches. Then update OEM drivers from your vendor, run disk cleanup to remove old Windows files, and confirm activation and device manager status. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is to boot into safe mode and use System Restore to revert, or rerun the Media Creation tool to repair the install. If errors persist, note error codes for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.